Welcome back to our channel How to Guide.
In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change language in Webtoon. So guys, if you want to read Webtoon in different language, then this video is for you. So let's get right into the video. So the first step is to just go ahead and open Webtoon. And once you're in this page, just go ahead and look at the lower bar option where you can find options like For You, Originals, Canvas, My, and finally More. We just need to go ahead and look at More, and again you'll see more options like Search, Settings, Fan Translation, Invite Friends, Webtoon Shop, and Creator Feed. Just go ahead and tap on Settings because that's where we'd find the solution. And once you're here, you can see in the options bar that there is content language right under it. Just go ahead and tap there, and now you can be able to change your language by just tapping on it. So there are only certain languages available like English, Chinese, Indonesian, Spanish, French, and Dutch. So if you want to change it to a different language, you can do that. So after you choose which language you want, you can be able to see that your language has been changed. And there you go guys, you can see that the language has been changed. So that's how you change language in Webtoon. I hope this video was helpful for you.
If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.